to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing from Fansells and want to thank Fansells for sending these to me for review. I really do appreciate it. And I have three that are about the same size. When I did order these, I was thinking summer. So these are really colorful, at least if I recall they were. So let's look at the smaller one first. This one is really tiny. But this one's a little frog. I thought he was really cute. I can bring this in more since he's so small. This is an 18 by 18 centimeter, and it is special drills. So it's going to have these rhinestones, and I don't even know how many colors that this is. It doesn't say on here because it's so small. It doesn't have anything on the actual canvas. I think let's just open this up and we'll take a look. This one's going to be easy to do. I'm trying to get some finishes done in June. And I'm looking at some smaller ones. And so I thought this would be a really good size too. And it's also in specials, which I think are a lot of fun. There's quite a few colors in this small little kit. So let's go this way. Oh, these are some specials. And there are a couple of regular drills, and they are round, but this real small one, I'm gonna go back out because that's way too zoomed in now. Okay, so this one is a regular drill, and it does not give us the DMC number, which that's too bad because I could save these. They're really bad about not giving you DMC numbers on the actual special drills, and so that's probably why they didn't put them on here either. The number here that says DXZ53, that is going to be the same number that's on this little frog. So that way, if you don't keep your drills with your actual canvas, you'll know which drills to pull. But look how cute he is. Has a little fly there going above his eyes. Love his little round eyes. That's going to have the specials in it. But I thought that was just really cute. Then it's going to have, this looks like 310, just a few there for the blacks. Then we're going to have all of these special drills, which are going to be rhinestones or crystals. See, these are a lot larger. These are more rhinestones. That's a crystal there. Almost the same color. If I have a lot left, then I can go and try to compare these colors to see what they are and put them in my storage, which I would like to do, and I probably will. So that's a little frog, but I just really like him. So I'm going to put him over here to the side and move these drills out of the way and move the bag out of the way. Then we have, I have a little plastic over there. And we also have a toolkit. You get a small boat, a plate of wax, and then a single placer. And they work just fine. I don't use any of those because I have my own special tools that I like. I have pins I can choose from, and then also I can decide on what type of wax I want to work on, and then I have a lot of trays. So let's look at this one. This is another small one. So I'm going to roll this both ways here. And then let me roll it this way. This one is a small one. It is a 30 by 30. And this one's a snail. This is definitely not my style. But I saw this and I thought, how cute would this be for the summer? These are special drills, will not take very long. There's only 23 colors in here, and it's a 30 by 30. So I thought this would be really fun to do with my daughter even. She could sit there and do one of these. I can do another one. And I'm gonna see what the sticky is like on here. That's good and sticky. It does give you, let's see, this does give you, well, that's not DMC numbers. I don't know what Q146. That just gives you a special code for those drills. That could even be, I don't think so, because I was going to say it could be DMC numbers, but that's not DMC numbers because, for instance, number 20, it says Q021. So I'm not sure what those codes go to, but it says DMC, but it's not DMC. Now, these aren't DMC either because we don't have a DMC number 23 or a DMC 4. So I don't know what those numbers are for there for DMC. This could even be for diamond dots. They do have some diamond dots that they use. So maybe that's diamond dots number instead of DMC. But anyway, I really do like this. This is going to be, it's really good and sticky. It's not going to take very long. This is a full drill. It's not a partial canvas. So you are going to put drills down for everything, but this is going to be very bright. For the toolkit here, they do give us the same toolkit, but they're also giving us tweezers. And their tweezers are plastic tweezers. I can't use these, but some people can. It's just, I can't pick them up very well with the plastic tweezers. But for this one, we're going to have all of these really bright colors. And these are crystals and rhinestones that are in here. So it's all special drills. But I really do like the little snail. I think he is just really cute, or she. Then the next one, yeah, I went all out summer on this particular unboxing. Trying to get it so it's not as crinkly. I'm making it worse. Okay. And I must have really been in a special mood on this one because this one is also another special. I'm going to move this one out of the way because the colors is kind of bother me. This is cacti. I saw this one. I thought this was really cute. Definitely screams summer to me. This is a 30 by 30 centimeter. It only has 17 colors, and it is also all specials. And this one, it looks like this is also, is there a number 4? There is a number 4. So all of this in the background is going to be diamond painted. I wasn't sure about this little heart that's on here. All those little, it's like dots, they're number 4s. That's actually a symbol. So that is going to get diamond painted. So all of those, that's going to be a lot of drills there. So even though it's a 30 by 30, this one's going to take longer because it's going to be a lot of drills that you're going to have to place. But I really thought this was pretty. And we get another toolkit. And then on this one, we do have, there are some special drills in here. And then there are some regular drills. And this is a round. So there's some white there. Then we have some turquoise. We're going to have also some teardrops in here. And then we've got 2 bags of this. It's number 15 and 16. It's like the same color, but it must not be because it's two different symbols. And then this one is some special drills here. Let me see. I want to look. This, once again, does not give the DMC. So this makes me a little sad on these. On some of Fansells, they do have the DMC numbers, and on some they don't. Lately, the ones that I've been getting have not. So if I do decide to keep them, I will just have to go through and try to match them up, which I am not the best at that. I don't mind so much matching up the special drills, but when it comes to the actual drills, sometimes it's hard to tell. I'll take a stab at it and then decide if I want to keep them or not. But that's going to be really pretty. And then I have one more. And all of these do have the codes on the bag of drills as well as on the canvas. so you don't have to keep your drills with your canvas. And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how much space that I have, how large that they are, if I plan on keeping them or if I plan on giving them away. I do some gifts that I'm putting up on my channel that I'm going to give away. Okay, here is this one. And this is, trying to get where it is. It's a tree. It's already starting to fray. This one's also a full drill canvas. It has 18 colors. So that's going to be really pretty, very pretty colors. Thought that looked very summerish. It's a 30 by 30. And that's what the colors are there. Now this one does give you the DMC numbers. So I don't know why some have DMCs and some don't. It'll be really nice to be consistent. So that way, when you want to save your drills, you don't have to fight and try to figure out what drills go where for your storage if you store yours like I do. Now these are all special drills. These are all rhinestones. It's kind of weird they give you the code for this, but not the code for any of the others. So I can possibly use this schematic here to match the other three, possibly. That's what I will first do once I finish these. But I am going to keep all of these. I'm going to work on them over the summer because I want to get some really nice finishes in. And I'm doing some really large canvases over the summer. I have kind of decided on what I want to work on, and it's going to be kind of aggressive. I probably won't get it all finished, but I'm going to try to get some of my larger ones completed. So here is what I received. The frog. I think that's my favorite one, this little frog. I don't even like frogs. I don't like frogs at all, actually. But when I was growing up, my favorite Sesame Street character was Kermit. So that is something. But as for frogs, I do not like frogs at all. Thought the snail was really pretty. I love the yellow. That has to be a she, her, she or her on a snail, because you see her eyelids. She has very long eyelashes. So I'm kind of assuming that is a lady snail, but maybe not. And then the cute cacti. And then I have this one is a tree. I will include all of the links below underneath the description so you can check them out if you would like to. They do come in fairly quickly. I ordered these the first part of May, and they came in about the middle of May. It took about 2 weeks or so for them to come in, so not bad at all. I'm just now getting to these because I do include these in order of how I receive them when I get my PR packages. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. That really does help my channel, as well as click on that like button. That helps to get my videos circulated. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.